Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting questions. Today I came back with a new topic which is related to finding the square root of any number faster. Before going to the topic, we should know some basics. What are the basics? We should know the squares from 1 to 10. And especially we should know what is a unit digit in that. If you observe that squares for the numbers, here you see 1 square unit digit is 1 as well as 9 square unit digit also 1. Here see. And 2 square unit digit is 4 as well as 8 square unit digit is 4. These two will be matched. As well as 3 square unit digit is 9, 7 square unit digit is 9. Four square unit digit is 6. 6 square unit digit is also 6. These two will match. But you see, 5 square unit digit is 5. This only unique we have, and remaining and all will match with another. And 10 square, it having ending with 2 zeros. Okay, let me explain with some example. 2401. 2401 is a number. It's a perfect square. Okay, this topic is applicable only for perfect squares. Then, how to find non-perfect squares? Listen friends, in previous videos I explained how to find a square root of non-perfect squares. I will give link in description. Please watch it. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. What I am going to do this one, I am splitting this number as two forms. From the right side, I always follow divide into two parts. 01 is a one part and 24 is a one part. Next, what I am going to do, I will check unit digit is here 1, which is matching with which number about this. Here 1 square is unit digit is 1 as well as 9 square unit digit is 1. There are two possibilities we have. Let me write the two possibilities. One is 1 and another one is 9. But we know that one more digit is our requirement. What I am going to do, next we have another part is 24. And the 24, which is nearest square to the 24. We need to check. Here you see that 5 square is 25. But 4 square is 16. We should not go above number. Okay, why? Because it is 24 is less than 25, right? That's why I am going to the before number. Before number is 4 square, 16. There are two possibilities. Either 41 square is 2401 or otherwise 49 square is 2401. But about these two numbers, how I can check? Either 41 square or 49 square. Very simple. Please follow it. In these two, middle I will take as 45 whole square. Okay, I am deciding 45 whole square is which number? Okay, let me find 45 whole square. Okay, the shortcut also explained in previous videos. Given a link in description. Please watch it. Then how to find the 45 whole square? 4 after number is what? 5. I will multiply 4 after number 5. 4 5s are 20 and 5 square is 25. 20, 25. And this number we should compare with the given number. If you see 2401, either less than the number or greater than this number. You see that 2025 is very less when compared to the given number. That's why here this number is greater. We should go for the greater number in the all possibilities. Answer is here is 49. One more example. 1024. How to find the square root? What is our topic? We should split into two forms. Remember, from right side, 2 digit, count 2 digit, 1 and 2. Here I will divide. These two take it as 1 and these two take it as 1. Okay, in this unit digit is 4. We should check which square is having unit digit is 4. Again we have two possibilities. Either 2 square is other 8 square is. Again two possibilities I will write. Here is 2 or 8. One more digit our requirement. Here also one more digit our requirement. Then next number we have 10. 10 is which is the nearest square to 10 in this. If you see 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. But if you see 4 square, if you take, it is greater than the 10. If you take 3 square, it is nearest to 10. If you take 2 square, it is very small to the 10. That's why I am taking 09, that is nearest to 3 square. I will take as 32, 38. In these two, which number is our answer? Let us take always middle is 35. We see before what we take 45 we take. Here we take 35. Then how to find 35 square? Very simple, right? 5 5s are 25. 3 after number is 4. 3 4s are 12. 12 25 is our answer. Check with the given number. If you see 1024 is less than the this 1225 or greater than the 1225. If you see it is less than that. It is less than 1225. See, if it is less than the 1225, go for smaller number. Then 1024 square root number is 32. Otherwise, we can also say 32 square is equal to 1024. Let me explain one more example for your better clarity. 9801. We need to find the square. What is our method? We should divide into two parts. From the right side, remember, from the right side, we should count two digits, 1 and 2. I am dividing to here. Okay, here is 0, 1. Here is 1 is a unit digit. There are two possibilities. We have either 1 square or 9 square. There are two possibilities I am writing here. You see, here is 1 or 9. Okay, then one more digit our requirement. 98. Nearest to which square? Here you see, 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81, 10 square is 100. If you take 10 square, it is 100 you have. But 98 is less than the 100. We should not go for the 10. Possibility is what? 81. It is nearest to 98. That's why I am going to take 91 square or otherwise 99 square. How I can decide either 91 or 99? Which is our answer? Very simple. Please concentrate. Always I am taking with what is the number you got in tens place with the 5. 95 square I will find. How to find 95 square? In the previous day we discussed 5 5 is 25. 9 after number is 10. 9 tens are 90. See that here 90 25 when compared to the given number 9801 is less or greater. See, it is less when compared to the 9801. That's why we should go for greater number. Then we can say that square root of 9801 is 99. Otherwise, we can also say that 99 square is equal to 9801. Our question is 2809. How to find the square root? Very simple. We should go for dividing from right side two digits. Count is a one digit and here is two digits. I'll divide as a two parts. 09. And unit digit is 9. And as the given squares, which is having unit digit as 9. We have two conditions again. Here you see that 3 square is 9 and 7 square is also 9. There are two possibilities we have. Either 3 square or 7 square. And one more digit we should go to find. The digit how to find? 28 is nearest to which square? Here you see that 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36. Here we have 28, but if you take 6 square is 36, is greater than number. But when compared to 28, it is nearest to 25. That's why I am taking as 5 here. Either it is 53 square or 57 square. How we can decide either 53 or 57? Very simple. I always take what is the number in tens place with the 5. 55 whole square. We know, right? 5 5s are 25. 5 after number is 6. 6 5s are 30. Here you see that 30 25 when compared to the given number is greater or less. You see that here is 2809 is less than the 30 25. If it is less than number, go for less number. 53. Then 2809 square root is 53. We can also say that 53 square is 2809. Okay friends, I hope You understood the logic? Try to solve some more examples, you will get better idea. If you like my explanation, please subscribe to my channel.